Hey guys, it is Muffin Cake here, and today I am going to be showing you how to draw warrior cats with all of your warrior fans out there. So we, like a basic him, just like him or she, give me both. I don't know how you're going to do both though. It can be either. But we're going to start with them sitting down. Shout out to Kitty Cake not knowing how to draw warrior cats at all. So you're going to start by just going like very light, just a circle. And then when you find what you want, you're going to have to kind of like erase it. Erase till you get to the one you have. And then you're gonna kind of just make the same sized circle there. Kind of the same size. I'm not saying it has to be the same size. And then you're gonna have to put like a circle there. And then it would look like something standing up, but then falling down. Example is a snowman. Woo! Falling down. So then we are going to just like kind of trace that down to that, and then you would have a cat shape, and when we're almost done, we would get it sitting down. But then after that, you want to do the basic, just literally ears. I've been doing this for a very long time. And you want to just do the basic ears or something. I don't really know how to draw ears. So basic ears. And then you would want kind of like right there. And then you would have the basic body shape right now. And then after that, you're going to want to, one second, you're going to want to draw your leg, which most cats, you don't really notice this, but they have that right there. And then you would want to put your foot. And then we will be working on the tail. You can put the tail any way you want, but I mostly like the tail like just like kind of swaying around and then like covering up, because I'm horrible at drawing the legs, and it helps me by covering some of the legs. So you would just erase all the marks in there, and then you can draw like that. Most cats have that. And then you're going to want to draw your arm going down like he or she is sitting, and let's draw a little like that, and then same thing here, just do that and that, and it kind of looks like sitting down. And then you're just going to want to erase all your clean it all up, like get rid of all these little lines. And if you actually did it like lightly and you didn't do it like that, it would be easy, because you could actually, like, here is a darkened and like regular like high, that's dark one, and you erase it, you could still see it. But if you do it light and then you erase that, where did it go? You can't see it anymore. You see? Where did it go? So then you're going to just erase everything out.